Hi, and welcome to Digital Tech Reviews and Tips. My name is Gabe, and today in this video, I'm just doing a quick test of the GoPro Media Mod to really let people know if it is worth getting, because I see a lot of people asking about it online on the forums. They just got a GoPro, looking to get a new accessory. Should I get the Media Mod? It looks cool, right? It looks like it has all these features. And yeah, if you need to attach something to your GoPro, you know, it has the hot shoe or cold shoe mounts, and it also has the ability to put in an external mic. Yeah, it's good for that. But really the question I see most often that people want tested is how is the audio quality of that, you know, cool looking mic thing that's sticking off on the top corner. And so that's why I'm out here in the cold 30-degree weather, walking around like a fool to test out the audio quality. So I have the GoPro 10 with the Media Mod on it, and then I have my GoPro 11 also going with the just bare bones setup, because I figured that would probably have the best built-in audio quality. And so this should be a pretty good test of how much better is the Media Mod's audio. I've probably been switching between the built-in, you know, standard GoPro audio and the Media Mod this whole time. I'll have an indication on screen which audio you're hearing. So yeah, let me know which you think is better. I personally have had the Media Mod for about 2 years now, and this is maybe the second time I've used it. So if you want just like a are you gonna actually use it type thing, probably not, because it takes away the waterproofness of the GoPro. It's a lot more clumsy. It's harder to get to the battery. It's harder to get to your micro SD card. Yeah, it's not what you're getting a GoPro for in most situations. There are definitely people who, if you're using this as like your vlogging cam or not really using it as an action cam, yeah, it might be helpful to have that, but I would argue just use your smartphone in that case, because that's probably going to get a lot better audio quality and video quality than a GoPro. But that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you found this somewhat helpful on deciding whether or not the Media Mod is worth it. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Like this video if you liked it. Don't thumbs it down if you didn't like it. I don't know, you can do that, that's what it's for. But as always, guys, thanks for watching and have a nice day. Peace out. Bye. Oh, quick, yeah, one last thing I thought I should probably test out is how it sounds when you're standing behind the camera. So as you can see from my shadow right there, I am currently behind the camera, and I'm walking around, you know, both equal distance, about 6 inches to a foot from the camera is my mouth. And this is how it sounds if you're kind of doing like tours or like POV stuff using the Media Mod and the GoPro. Like here's the Media Mod right here. I'm talking, testing 1 2 3, Media Mod 1 2 3, and then this is the original, you know, just regular GoPro audio. You can see which one sounds better. Hopefully, yeah, hopefully that's helpful. Hopefully this whole video was helpful. And sorry I forgot to put that in until the end there, but glad I remembered before I got back from filming.